Hello, welcome back to Build It Like Billy. Today I'm going to be making this slightly crazy looking elf. I'm using polymer clay, which you can set hard in the oven, so it's great for making Christmas decorations and ornaments. If you'd like to see how to make the snowman, click on the link at the top of the screen. Otherwise, let's get on and make this crazy elf. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, click on the subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified every time we release a new video. We're going to start with some skin coloured clay. I'm going to roll it in a ball for his head. With one of our modelling tools, we're going to make a little mouth. We can add a little bit of clay for his nose. I'm going to use some white clay to make his eyes. Before we add them, we're going to make a couple of little dents just to make it easier to position them. Just one eye. And that's two eyes. A little bit of black clay so we can make his pupils. There's one. Two. Now we're going to use some dark green clay to make his hat. I'm going to use a bit of orange clay to give him a little fringe at the front. Tidy it up. Yeah, he's got some hair. We use light green clay just to make some trim for his hat, and we can use the light green clay for his little bobble as well. Just going to use a pizza cutter to trim off any excess. Then we can just stick it round. I'm going to use a pair of scissors just to snip off the excess. And there's his bobble. All he needs now is some ears. Dark green clay again for his body. And just roll this into shape. There we go. Now we can make some arms. So we just make a long sausage. So we're going to fold it over. Trim off the bottoms. bit off the top, and then separate it into two arms. That's one. That's two. Now making some little hands. That's one hand. There. The arm's a little bit short. All I'm doing is stretching them down. There we go. We've had a bit of a problem with filming. My camera stopped, so I'm just going to quickly show you how I made the collar. There we go, and we just wrapped it round. Right, next we're going to make some feet. There's one. There's two. I'm going to use some light green clay to make his legs. Just going to make these into a bit of a flattened cone shape, just so they sit under the body when we stick them on. So just going to tidy them up a little bit with one of our modelling tools. There's our completed elf.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click here to subscribe to our channel, where you can watch more videos on great things to make and create. You can also click on the thumbs up icon below to give us a like or leave a message in our comment section.